There's a Tibetan proverb saying a child without education is like a bird without wings. Education is a movement from darkness to light. Even with the simplest form of education, we can make wonders, not necessarily change the world, but we can do such to change our own lives, to make our lives better, to settle ourselves. He who opens a school door closes a prison is a saying by Victor Hugo. The true purpose of education is to open minds, not careers. Education people, yourself, and everyone around you, not only to make their lives, but also not only for every tiny bit of information can change a moment and a movement of every person. So educate people and